Hi there, welcome to Huson DIY. My name's Ben. In this video we're going to set up this Amazon Echo Pop. Okay, but just before we jump into the video, just a quick precursor to the giveaway. So we're giving away 2 Echo Flexors, brand new, box, sealed, etc. So we'll do these as part of this video, so stick around to the end where I'll mention the details around how to enter this giveaway. Okay, welcome to the channel, welcome to this video. If it's your first time here, my name's Ben. We do plenty of product reviews on this channel, and one of our favourite types of products are the Amazon Echo Alexa devices. So a previous video I did, which I'll link up here somewhere, we unboxed this. We got a brand new Blink Video Doorbell. It was a replacement for an old one that had broke, and I'm mentioning that because as part of purchasing that, there was a deal to get this for £5. So basically this was $34.99, and for an extra £5 I could get the Echo Pop. So we're going to unbox this Echo Pop, have a look at it. So just to give you an idea, we've got the old style Echo Dots dotted across the house. So massive fans of these devices, just kind of enabling Alexa throughout the household. The kids love using it, playing music, asking questions, things like that. One of the downsides of the Echo Dots is the audio quality. It's not great, and what I found is the older they get, the worse they've got, massively. So they've become a lot more tinny, and the audio quality is diminished significantly, I would say, on the Echo Dots. It's not a massive problem because where we play the main music, we've got kind of Sonos systems dotted across the house. There isn't that integration between them both, which is another matter on its own. But yeah, the audio quality has diminished on this. So this is from a playroom we've got in our conservatory. So I brought it out of there. What we'll use it, I'll use it for a bit of a comparison to the Echo Pop, because essentially it kind of is replacing, or is a replacement really, for the Echo Dots. I know there have been iterations since the Dot until they got to the Pop. I haven't invested in them between, and I only really got it, if I'm honest, because I could get it for a £5. So depending on how good they are, obviously I'll do a recommendation for them, but my main kind of thing I want to see is the audio quality, see how much it's improved on these. So first of all, unboxing of the Echo Pop. We'll do a comparison with the Echo Dot. I'll do an audio comparison, kind of as best I can here, so see if it comes across on video, and then we'll take it from there. So first of all, let's get inside the Echo Pop. As usual, I imagine, oh, that went a bit wrong. I imagine the packaging setup process will be spot on with the Amazon devices. Okay, so first of all, I'm noticing it's not USB powered. So the Echo Dots, so you can see straight away the size difference. The Echo Dots were micro USB powered. This has got its own barrel, its power barrel, similar to the Echo Show devices, very similar to the Echo Show devices. In fact, I would probably say it's the same as the Echo Show devices. So yeah, there's the speaker, there's the power cable. Anything else in the box? Just the important information booklet and the Hello Echo Pop book. So this will just guide us through how to set it up, etc, etc, which it does. So I'll get some power to the table, or I'll plug this in and get some power across, and we'll go through the setup process, show how easy that is. Okay, so I've got power, got an extension cable, power to the table. So let's plug it in first. I've got the Alexa application open on my phone here. So I've got the thing, I've got the power, the barrel connector in the back. I'm going to plug it in. Make sure everything's switched on. Oh, it's switched. So we'll do this live, do a live setup, so it shouldn't hopefully take too long. I didn't link, so on Amazon, when you buy an Amazon product or an Alexa enabled product, you can automatically link it into your account. So when you bring it home, or you get it delivered, sorry, the kind of half the setup process is done for you already. I didn't do that with this one, so we'll do a full kind of setup end to end. So it shouldn't take long though, hopefully. We should, as soon as it's okay. So in the application, I've had a pop-up.
Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just download the Alexa app and follow the instructions.
Hallo, dein Gerät kann jetzt eingerichtet werden.
Lade dazu die Alexa-App runter und folge den Anweisungen. Bonjour, votre appareil est prêt pour la...
Okay, so I've turned the volume down. So in the application, I've had it pop up for the Echo Pop is ready for setup. So I'm going to agree and continue. It's connecting to the device. I'm going to turn the volume back up now. It's still jumping through the different languages. It stopped talking now, so it's probably connected. Yes. So it's searching for the Wi-Fi on my device. So this is linking this device to the Wi-Fi in your house or your home, so that you can connect to your Wi-Fi. So we'll let it do its thing. Again, I'll try and do this live so you can just see it's really quick and simple and easy to do, like all the Amazon devices are really. So it's got a saved Wi-Fi. It's the Huson Kids one that's on my Wi-Fi network. So it's now connected. So if you don't have a Wi-Fi network saved into your Amazon account, I have that one, not my main one. It's a different SSID I've got on my network with a different password to my main one, which I use for some of the kids' tablets, PCs, and the Echo devices. So I've got a little bit more control on the network. So if you have one saved in, it will automatically connect. If you don't, you've just got to enter your Wi-Fi details into the phone application. It's as simple as that. So I'm going to continue in the application. I'm going to continue. I've gone English. In the groups, we've got the playroom, which I'll select.
Nice work. I have a few top things for you to try on your...
Okay, so I'm going to select my device down. I'm going to blur that out, obviously, because I don't want you to see my home address. So get started with Alexa. Cancel. I'm going to mute the microphone with the button on top. You've got the red light that comes on to say it's muted. Okay, so the new Echo Pop is all set up, ready to roll. So as you can see, I've got the Echo Pop and the Echo Dot. So this is the two compared next to each other. So the footprint wise, it is bigger, definitely bigger. It feels more premium, I have to say. This has got like more of a shiny, glossy plastic on it. It's still a decent device. It's still got, you know, it still feels, it's not like lightweight, like that really cheap plasticky feel. But this feels much more premium in terms of its build quality. It is more of a matte finish. It's got the rubberized foot on the bottom so it can't slip, which I think this has got a rubberized. Yeah, that's got a rubberized on the bottom there. So yeah, physically they're obviously different to look at, but essentially they've got speakers, microphones built in. One of the fundamental differences button wise, on the Echo Dot you've got the volume up and down, the mute microphone button, but you've also got the wake button for Alexa. Cancel. So I'll mute that one for now. So the Echo Pop doesn't have a wake button. You've obviously got to use your voice, but you've got the volume up, volume down, and the mute button. So the mute button works there. So yeah, so they're the physical differences. I guess the Echo Dot is a really nice design in terms of it's small. It can be tucked away. It can be wall mounted with the extra fittings you can get for it. It's also got an auxiliary port on there. I don't think this one does. I didn't see one. So yeah, maybe a little bit more flexibility on the older one, perhaps not. So yeah, they are different, fundamentally the same, footprint very similar, and I guess the purpose you would use them for a device tucked in a corner to use exactly the same. Now the difference I think already I can tell is the sound quality. The sound quality just from the setup process on this is miles better already, I can tell. So what I'm going to do now is do a comparison. So I'll do kind of a side-by-side conversation with the Echo Dot and the Echo Pop. We'll see if that comes across on video. I'll then try and play some music. I'll try and find some royalty-free music so this video don't get kind of copyrighted or anything like that. Copyright issues, sorry. So we'll do that. So voice chat, music. We'll see if I can get the difference across on video, but I'll see if I can tell the difference primarily. Okay, so I've got both devices ready. They're both turned up to full volume. So you can see that one's full volume, that one's full. So straight away, I can tell the volume, the sound output is louder on this compared to this. Definitely, just with the volume up. So, conversation with the Echo Dot. So I'm going to just do a little quick chat. I'll do the exact same one with the Echo Pop. They're kind of the same distance away from the camera, exactly the same distance, so we'll see what happens. So I'll unmute this. I do have other devices in here, so hopefully it doesn't start going crazy. So let's just see what happens. Alexa, good morning.
Good morning, family, and I hope you're all feeling great. I've turned on a few items for you, and I'll tell you the weather and today's new. Right now in Sowerby Bridge, it's 8 degrees Celsius with mostly cloudy skies. Today's forecast has showers, with a high of 9 degrees and a low of 3 degrees. Getting your flash briefing.
Stop. So, I've got a routine set up when I just say good morning. I'd actually forgot I had that set up. So hopefully I'll do the same on this one and give us a little bit more talking without me having to say anything. So you could hopefully got the volume across. That is max volume, it's not very loud. So if this was in the corner of a room, you might struggle to hear it, to be honest with you. So we'll do the same with this. We'll do the good morning and see what happens. Alexa, good morning.
Good morning, family, and I hope you're all feeling great. I've turned on a few items for you, and I'll tell you the weather and today's new. Currently, in Sowerby Bridge it's 8 degrees Celsius with mostly cloudy skies. Today, you can expect showers, with a high of 9 degrees and a low of 3 degrees. Here's your flash briefing.
Alexa, stop. Okay, so I from behind the speaker can tell it's miles better. Not only the sound output in terms of the volume, but the quality is much better. There's a much better bass in there, I think it is. I'm no sound expert, but the kind of the bass, it's not as tinny as this. So obviously the speaker technology in here is much improved. You'd expect it to be improved, but it is much improved compared to that. Out of the Echo Dots we've got, this is probably in quite a good condition. We've got one upstairs that literally you can't even use it for the output. It's that bad, but it's not bad, but that is miles better. So next up we'll do some music. I'll ask it to play some royalty-free music. Fingers crossed he doesn't get this video into any copyright issues. So yeah, I'll probably do it and play it for like 10 seconds. Okay, so music test. So again, we'll start with the Echo Dot. So literally I'm going to say, play some royalty-free music. Fingers crossed it does what I want. Alexa, play some royalty-free music.
Here's some music by Roy Orbison on Amazon Music.
Stop. Play some Roy Orbison. Let's try again. Alexa, play some royalty-free music.
Here's some music by Royalty-Free Music on Amazon Music.
Next. Stop. Okay, the Echo Dot, really quiet, output not great. The voice side of it's fine. So yeah, God knows what that music was though. So I'll mute this one and go to the Echo Pop. Again, what is good about the Echo Dot is the actual wake button, being able to press it and stop it. But yeah, so exactly the same. Hopefully it doesn't play Roy Orbison, it'll play some royalty-free straight away this time. Alexa, play some royalty-free music.
Here's some music by Royalty-Free Music on Amazon Music.
Next. Alexa, next. Stop. Okay, so there you go, that's the Echo Pop. To be honest with you, that's really good quality. I mean, I'm no kind of audio expert or anything, but compared to some of the devices you can get, Bluetooth speakers, the Echo Dot, that sounds really, really good. I can imagine if you got these in a speaker group, you know, across your house, I think they'd be a really good option, to be honest with you. The sound out of them is brilliant. Obviously that is at top end in terms of volume. It won't go any louder. I don't know how it comes across obviously at the moment on video. Hopefully it does come across quite loud. But yeah, I'm impressed, to be honest with you. It's certainly a massive step up from the Echo Dot. So yeah, hopefully that give it a good enough kind of viewpoint across on the video for both voice chat and the music playing. Okay, all done now in this video. Obviously this was the Echo Pop unboxing and setup, but we did a comparison using the Echo Dot. So yeah, super impressed with the new Echo Pop. Obviously, like I've mentioned before, there have been more iterations since these ones of these original Echo Dots. But yeah, the jump from this to this in terms of sound quality, etc., is really good. I can see using these as kind of additional speakers dot through your house, and then setting up like an Amazon Alexa speaker group. Sorry. Okay, so obviously before we end this video, like I said at the beginning, just the giveaway details for the Echo Flexers. So we've got 2 brand new sealed Echo Flexers. These are $24.99 full price. So we're going to give away 2 of them to 2 different lucky winners. So 2 winners will win these, not 1 winner winning 2, but 2 winners. So to enter the giveaway, all you need to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment into the comment section of this video, telling us why you want to enter the giveaway. To be honest with you, you don't need to tell me why. If you just drop any comment into the comment section, that's your entry. But it would be nice to know why you want to win these. So yeah, like, subscribe, drop a comment in, and you'll be automatically entered into this giveaway. So the giveaway will close at 5 PM on Wednesday the 29th of November. So 5 PM, Wednesday the 29th of November, giveaway shuts. We'll then do the prize draw 2 days later on Friday the 1st of December. So just to confirm, that's a closing date and time of the 29th of November, 5 PM, and then we will do the giveaway on Friday the 1st of December on the evening. We'll do that live on the channel. So yeah, enter this. Obviously we'll make a nice little, or could make a nice little present for someone over Christmas, maybe a stocking filler for someone. Nice little device that is Alexa enabled. Hopefully I don't set up Alexa somewhere. So yeah, enter this giveaway, free to enter. Good luck. Just to quickly confirm as well, this is only open to UK entrants. It's a UK plug, UK device, so we'll just restrict this one to UK entrants. So yeah, hopefully the video has been informative. Just showing off this new product and comparing it to an old one. If you've enjoyed the video, if it's been informative, please do give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not for any reason, give it a thumbs down, give it a dislike. Any questions about the Echo Pop, any questions about the Echo Dot, any questions about anything I've covered on the video or maybe haven't covered, drop them in the comment section. I will reply to all questions and comments. So future videos that are coming up, hopefully there is the Echo Hub that's been released, the 8-inch Echo Hub. So I'm looking to get that device and install that in our house to use upstairs as a hub for all our devices. So hopefully that'll be a future video coming up in the future. If you want to follow the Huson DIY journey along for more tech reviews, more DIY videos, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next one.